Hey guys, and happy Saturday. Today is the So You Think You Can Craft challenge, and we are using Dollar Tree wood items for today's challenge. So, first I'm going to start off with one of these little trays from the Dollar Tree. You can use whichever one you want. I just so happen to have this one with the stars. You can use the one with the handles, but I think these work better, like the rectangle ones. And I'm also using one of these little stakes from the Dollar Tree. These came out, I don't know, about a few months ago, and they still have them, but they're kind of scarce. So, there's other items you can use. You can make one of these, but I just went ahead, cut one of these chalkboard stickers from the Dollar Tree. I found these from the Dollar Tree. I think these were the ones that were originally from Walmart, but I just cut down a piece to fit on that backing of the stake there. And if I would have been thinking, I would have written on it before I glued it on to the tray, but I didn't. So if you're going to use the chalkboard, make sure you write on it beforehand so that it comes out neat, because mine came out kind of sloppy. But anyway, so the next thing that I'm going to do is take some wood glue and some hot glue, do the combination, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that on to the side, one of the longer sides of the tray. And guys, that's pretty much it. You can paint it, you can stain it, you can put some ribbon around it, you can do whatever you want with it. I kept it natural because I don't know if I'm going to give it as a gift or if I'm going to keep it at home. And if I'm keeping it at home, I don't know what I'm going to use, like what room I'm going to use it for. My first thought was to put a little glass in there or a little cup with some cookies and make it, a cookies for Santa type tray. So that is what I wrote on the little chalkboard. But of course, you can use it for anything. You can put tea in it. You can put your little, if you have a Keurig, you can put your K-cups in there. You can put little snacks in there, little treats, anything like that. You can use it as a trinket tray. I mean, there's so many different things you can use it for, but I think this would look really cute in a kitchen. Like I said, for anything like that, you can even put like ketchup and your condiments in there, or, salt and pepper, whatever. It would work for just about anything. And it does fit like one of the smaller, like a smaller cup. And you can just, like I said, put some cookies on the side. So, as I said before, this is the So You Think You Can Craft challenge. This month, I don't have a co-host, so I'm flying solo. But every month, what is this? The third Saturday of every month at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, I host this challenge where you use whatever the item is that is chosen to make one or more DIYs, and then you post it. So we have a playlist that's going. Be sure to check out the playlist. If you're coming over here from the playlist, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you stick around, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. All right, so then for our next one, I'm going to be using two of these little breadboards. I thought they were cutting boards, but they're called breadboards. One of these little crates from the Dollar Tree. You have to make sure that you get the smaller one that has the open slits, because the bigger one is too big. So it has to be one of these smaller ones. And the cutting boards or the bread boards are not all the same size as with, other Dollar Tree items. They're not created equal. So just try to find the ones that are the closest in size. And you're going to need two of them. And then I have a dowel rod that I cut down to size. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting some wood glue and some hot glue on one side of the crate, on the short side of the crate. And I am attaching the breadboard to that, making sure it's even, making sure everything's lined up. And like I said, it's like off by, oh my gosh, not even a centimeter. It's like just a little bit of an overhang, not so much. You can probably sand it down once it dries up or even beforehand. Um, but you don't even notice it. So it's not necessary to sand it down. Then I'm going to take this dowel rod that like I said, I cut it down so that it was the size of the crate. And I'm going to put it on the top of the handle of the breadboard and glue that on there. And then I'm going to do the same combination of wood glue and hot glue on the other end of the crate. And again, just glue the breadboard onto the other side and make sure you put a little dab of hot glue on the dowel rod so that sticks as well. And guys, that is it. That's how simple this was. And I use what, 5 different Dollar Tree wood items. So, I mean, you can definitely do a lot of things. So this is just a little toolbox, like a mini toolbox. It's adorable. You can decorate it. You can paint it. Again, I'm not staining it or painting it yet because I don't know if I'm giving it as a gift or if I'm going to keep it or what. So that's it. That's all that I did with this. And I think it turned out so adorable. It's going to be a really cute farmhouse piece, or if you want to put like, again, salt and pepper shakers in there or anything like that, it's going to work for that. You can use it for a gift, add some little hot cocoa in there or whatever. But guys, that's it. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Talk to you later. Bye.